morning, everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a paver sealing here this morning. We have a small little driveway here, so let me walk you around and show you what we got here this morning. All right, so we got a two-car driveway that goes up and then turns to the right into the garage. Pretty decent pavers here. We got some weed growth going on. We're going to tear out and replace all this edging here. It's all busted up and it's going to start causing an issue here in a while. But got this going up here. It turns and goes into the garage. And then a little step area here for the front porch. Okay, that's our project here for this morning. And it's going to be another hot one today. I'm trying to get an early start on it. So, all right, let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up with our three-step cleaning process here. I'll walk you around and show you what it looks like. Yep. So much better. These things were real dirty also. But we're starting to dry up here where the sun's hitting them, but they'll all dry up overnight. We'll come back in the morning and put our sand in and lay the sealer. These are going to turn out really nice. Kind of strange. They have like a green tint to them at some point. Either they were made that way or somebody tinted them. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We'll see you back here in the morning. Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're back here this morning getting ready to sand and put some sealer down on this driveway. So let me walk you around and show you. Yeah, so we got these joints pretty emptied out yesterday. Got all the weeds out, all the old dirt. So just putting the sand back in, putting dry sand field stone today on this. So we'll get all this sanded in this morning and mix some sealer up and we'll be on our way. All right, it's gonna be another brutal hot day today, so we'll get moving before it gets too bad. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here and take you around and show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's laid down really nice. Yep, a real nice shine on here. Yeah, it looks good. Customer's absolutely thrilled with it.